Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is IPO Market Watch and my name is Mike, and this YouTube video is going to be special. What I will talk about and what I will show you in this YouTube video is an investment that 99.99% for me, all right? So this is just my opinion. Don't take that as financial advice. Don't run off with it. Do your own due diligence. Personally speaking, for me, Mike, I believe that it is 99.99% sure thing that it will go up a lot. Probably the easiest investment I can make. Sure, there will be stocks, obviously, right? We're not living in a crazy bubble. There are going to be stocks in the stock market in 2026. They're going to make great gains, right? But most likely, those are stocks that you don't know about right now. Those are stocks that will pop out of nowhere when you didn't expect it, didn't know anything about it, some kind of news, some kind of short thing going on or whatever. But if there's something that we can find now, that we can find it, right? And say, well, this is definitely going to go up. So I already know about it. I can tell. I'm already sure it will go up. See, those are hard. Those are extremely hard to find. So that makes it very special. That makes it the greatest investment. One of the most persistent themes that we've been tracking since at least last year, and obviously many years back, but it's getting more heated, and especially this year more, is global defense. Not something that I'm excited about. I'm pretty sure not something you're excited about. Nobody wants the world to go into anything worse than it already does. All the global leaders behave and act and take actions according to their own decisions, making up and canceling laws as they go. The UN Charter is out the window. Nobody even cares about that anymore. Today, we're diving into an exchange-traded fund. And let me say something before you find this as boring or, oh, I can't believe it, I clicked on this video so he can talk to me about an exchange-traded fund. You're absolutely wrong.
No way. We got you. Not a chance. Not this time. It never happened.
Let me say something. The ETF I'm going to show you is an ETF I presented in May 27th of 2025 last year. I presented this ETF. I called it a buy for my Discord. And I remember people, a few, had said, Mike, come on. That's an ETF. Come on, Mike. That's boring. It moves so slow. Nobody wants, no one's interested in this. Well, you know what? This one moves very fast for an ETF. It moves very fast. It moves extremely fast. At the same time, it moved like stealth mode, like F-22 Raptor. Okay, bad joke. So yeah, it moves like in a stealth mode. It is something that those who said, who told me last year, what are you talking about? This is slow. This is going to be slow. Like, I want something now. I want to make money now. These same people have told me this year, Mike, I made the biggest mistake of my life. I should have put all my money in that. I should have invested a lot in this, because right now I would be making a lot of money. Now, also, for those who are watching this YouTube video and they're not in this ETF that I'm going to talk about, do not freak out and be sad and be stressed out and say, Mike, why are you talking about this now, since you talked about it last year in 2025? The gains that this ETF has to make going forward are still insane. Now, if you want to be like the people last year and you want to completely avoid it and don't want to find out about it and don't care about it, fine. But I bet you next year you're going to say, damn it, I wish I would have gotten in.
Dang it, Dale.
We have a lot of conflicts in the world. A lot. Each yellow dot is a conflict in this world. The major conflicts, I would say, is Iran, which is getting worse and worse and worse by the day. So in the world of investing right now, a safe haven, in my opinion, for parking money is ironically in the global defense. It is called the iShares Defense Industrials Active ETF. All right, so it is managed by BlackRock, actively managed. All right, it's not a passive ETF, it's actively managed, which is actually even better. That's what we want. It pursues growth opportunities by investing in companies that may benefit from increased government spending. Okay, let's get to the good part. 6 days after the ETF had gone public last year in May, which was on May 27, 2025, I posted that I bought 20 shares of IDEF at $25.81. I quickly noticed 1 month later of being invested in the ETF that it's not going to ever look back. So on June 23, 2025, I alerted the Discord that I will add 200 shares of IDEF at $27.01. IDEF today is at $34.67. When I made my alert for IDEF was back here, right back here in the beginning when it went public. That's where I made my alert and I called it a buy. And it never, ever, ever, ever looked back. Let me just say this, that to go from 25 to $34.67, and it's not even a year, still haven't closed a year since investing in this, is pretty awesome. That's a 37% gain, you know, since it went public. It has outperformed and beat the S&P 500 by a lot. IDEF, I think, is the greatest investment someone could make, in my opinion, especially in 2026 with the crazy geopolitical events that are going on. I want Greenland. We took over Venezuela. That's gone. Now we have Iran. Ukraine is still going on. Then there's Saudi Arabia with the UAE heating up. Then there's China with Taiwan. Here's the S&P 500. The past 1 year, the S&P 500, for the 1 year, it has returned a positive 19.36%, which is great, is amazing. Come back 1 year later, you're going to say, well, I should have just invested in SPY, or even better, I should have invested in IDEF, which returned 37%.
For the good of our country, especially in these very troubled and dangerous times, our military budget for the year 2027 should not be $1 trillion, but rather $1.5 trillion.
And yeah, the news is all over the place the last 2 days. Defense companies offer exposure to rising security and defense budgets during ongoing geopolitical tension. I mean, BlackRock on their website literally says, let me read to you exactly what they say on their website. IDEF is positioned to benefit from increased global defense and security spending. Obviously, BlackRock knew something. Don't tell me that they didn't. I mean, it wasn't a coincidence or some kind of luck that, that they launched it last year, right? They knew something. BlackRock always knows.
Is peace the last thing you want on this world?
One of our members posted yesterday something very nice. I want to share this with everyone because I'm proud of it. I like it. Why not? It says, massive thanks to Bull Market Watch, which is my Discord community, for creating such an incredible community. So happy I joined the Bull Market Watch Discord right when I got back into investing, and he's up big time since last year. At one point I had posted this, as you see everything here on this screen, this is what I had posted to them, a bunch of dark pool buys and our BMW signal and all that stuff, and basically telling them, hey, tech, which is trading at $39.88, is a buy. The target is 58. Guess what? Where is tech today? $49.55. Our tech nerd analysis, which told them that Firefly Aerospace, when it was trading at $26.55, that it was bullish, and today it's at $30. Oklo, when it was $92, our AI tech nerd analysis gave us a bullish alert, and today it's trading at $106. The video was about exchange traded fund IDEF, ticker symbol IDEF, which focuses on the global defense and security. It has a portfolio of 123 companies, not just American companies, but also global defense companies. So that makes it really unique. I forgot to mention that in the video. So it's 123 stocks right now that are part of its asset allocation, and it's globally companies from all over the world. It has returned 37.6% in less than a year of being publicly traded on the stock market. And I consider IDEF one of the greatest, best, safest investments for the year. Now, with all that being said, my opinions on what IDEF is, what it can do, why I believe it can go up, the price targets that I have set for it, the gains that I believe it will do, those are opinions. They're not facts. Those are opinions just for me, not for you. You have to do your own due diligence, your own homework. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube video, and I wish you all the best. Take care.